Hi guys, so
Ayun si Josh. Josh! Ayan si Santi siya.
mag-grocery haul tayo ngayon. Grocery haul with us.
So sa first item, meron kami seaweed!
So we bought four of these.
We also bought 1 kilo French fries.
This imported
Imported from-
mayonnaise, fresh from the cows. Yes, Polina. International brand.
Oh, you can only find it some online stores sa
San Marino. 2 of these, fresh from Dominican Republic.
freshly grated fish.
Yes. I love it. And this, iced tea from Maldives. Paano? Look at the colors.
Very
Yes.
Maldives vibes, Hawaii.
And of course, another San Marino from Dominican Republic again. Shout out to Europe.
You know
Dominican Republican people.
We love that. We love
And of course, di ko malabas. Fries.
was yung first.
Yes, fries.
So, ang challenge po namin ngayon is paano namin siya ibabalik.
Oh guys. So, me as the future packer of this community, I will show you how. Pag nalaglagan tayo talaga, yak talaga.
O, diba? In every kind of situation. Ayo! Amoy isdo!
Amoy tuna.
So, yun lang naman guys. So, we will keep you updated. Kasi, mababa kami ng 7-Eleven. So, bibili kami ng mac and cheese.
Yes. Pick anything you want. Look at my